Imagine hosting a summer barbecue or an office happy hour, only to realize you're out of ice again. Or perhaps you're tired of filling clunky ice trays that spill and produce cloudy, fast-melting cubes. The Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker, 45 pounds per day, is your solution to these frustrations, delivering 24 crystal-clear ice cubes in just 13 minutes and up to 45 pounds of ice daily. With its stainless steel design, self-cleaning feature, and smart timer, this machine is a game-changer for anyone who loves chilled drinks. Let's explore why this ice maker is a must-have for your kitchen, office, or bar. The problem it solves: running out of ice during a party or struggling with ice trays that produce subpar cubes can ruin your drink experience. Traditional ice cubes often melt quickly, diluting your cocktails, sodas, or iced coffee. The Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker eliminates these issues by producing solid, clear ice cubes that melt slowly, ensuring your beverages stay flavorful and cold. No more last-minute store runs or wrestling with trays. This machine delivers a steady supply of premium ice, fast. Why choose the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker? The Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker combines speed, style, and convenience in a sleek, stainless steel package. Designed for kitchens, offices, bars, and parties, it produces 45 pounds of ice daily, ensuring you're always prepared for any occasion. Here's what sets it apart: rapid ice production. Get 24 ice cubes in just 13 minutes, with a daily output of 45 pounds, perfect for serving 3 to 5 people or hosting large gatherings without ice shortages. Crystal clear, slow-melting ice. Unlike hollow bullet ice, Ecozy's solid square cubes are free of air bubbles, melting slowly to preserve the flavor of your whiskey, soda, or tea. Smart timer functionality. The 24-hour timer lets you schedule ice production, so you wake up to fresh cubes or have ice ready after work. No manual refills needed. Hassle-free self-cleaning. The auto self-cleaning feature keeps the machine spotless with a single button press, ensuring fresh, clean ice every time. For long-term storage, simply wash and dry the interior. Complete ice storage solution. Comes with a detachable basket, 3 ice bags, and a standing scoop, making it easy to store and transfer ice to your freezer for later use. Key benefits of the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker. Premium drink quality. The clear, solid ice cubes cool drinks faster and melt slower, maintaining the rich flavors of your beverages without dilution. Time-saving convenience. With fast ice production and a timer function, you'll never run out of ice, whether for daily use or hosting a party. Low-maintenance design. The self-cleaning feature and stainless steel housing make upkeep effortless, saving you time and ensuring hygienic ice production. Perfect for. The Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker is ideal for party hosts. Perfect for barbecues, cocktail parties, or family gatherings where a steady ice supply is essential. Office break rooms. Keeps employees refreshed with high-quality ice for water, coffee, or soft drinks. Home bar enthusiasts. Elevates cocktails and spirits with slow-melting, crystal-clear cubes that enhance every sip. Small space living. Its compact size fits easily on countertops in apartments, RVs, or small kitchens. Outdoor entertainers. Portable and durable, it's great for camping, tailgates, or backyard events. Real user insights. Users love the Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker for its speed and ice quality, with many praising its ability to produce clear, solid cubes that rival restaurant ice. The self-cleaning feature is a hit for its ease, though some recommend using filtered water for the best taste. A few users note that the machine can be slightly noisy during ice dropping cycles, but most find it quiet enough for home or office use. The included ice bags and scoop are appreciated for keeping ice fresh in the freezer, though some suggest transferring ice promptly to avoid melting in the basket. How it works. Using the Ecozy Ice Maker is simple and intuitive. 1. Fill the water reservoir with up to 1.5 liters of water. 2. Select your ice size and press the start button, or set the 24-hour timer for scheduled production. 3. Watch as 24 cubes form in just 13 minutes, ready to chill your drinks. For cleaning, press the self-clean button to run an automatic cycle, or manually wash the detachable basket and scoop for thorough maintenance. The stainless steel housing resists corrosion and wipes clean easily, ensuring long-lasting durability. Why clear ice matters. Ecozy's solid square ice cubes are a step above hollow bullet ice. Made with crystal flux technology, they're free of air bubbles, resulting in clear, dense ice that cools drinks quickly and melts slowly. This preserves the flavor of your cocktails, iced teas, or smoothies, making every sip as refreshing as the first. Whether you're serving drinks at a party or enjoying a quiet evening, these cubes elevate your experience. Potential considerations. While the Ecozy Ice Maker shines in performance, keep these in mind. Noise during operation. The machine is quiet, under 40 decibels, but ice dropping cycles may produce a slight hum, which most users find non-disruptive. Ice storage. The basket doesn't keep ice frozen long-term, so transfer excess cubes to the included ice bags and store them in a freezer water. Quality. For optimal ice clarity and taste, use filtered or purified water. Why buy now? The Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker offers premium features at a budget-friendly price, rivaling high-end brands like GE or Frigidaire. Its 45-pound daily output, self-cleaning convenience, and sleek stainless steel design make it a standout choice for anyone who values quality ice. Don't let ice shortages ruin your next gathering or dilute your favorite drinks. Upgrade to Ecozy and enjoy crystal-clear ice whenever you need it. Join the ice revolution. Say goodbye to watery drinks and endless ice tray refills. The Ecozy Countertop Ice Maker delivers fast, clear, slow-melting ice that transforms your beverages. With its user-friendly timer, self-cleaning system, and portable design, it's perfect for homes, offices, or parties. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring home this ice-making powerhouse today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.